The Kosovo Police is the national policing law enforcement agency of Kosovo. The Kosovo Police has grown steadily since 1999, and in 2004 reached its planned full size of nearly 7,000 officers. As of 2010, it has around 9,000 employees. About 90% of Kosovo police officers are ethnic Albanians while 10% are ethnic minorities, mostly Serbs. It was created in 1999 in the aftermath of the Kosovo War and subsequent withdrawal of the Yugoslav forces from Kosovo. The establishment of the United Nations Interim Administration Mission in Kosovo included a large international policing component, called the UNMIK Police. They were given two main tasks by UN Security Council Resolution 1244. The name for the new police force, Kosovo Police, was chosen by the first International Police Commissioner, Sven Fredriksson. Recruitment began immediately, and former police school premises in the city of Vuštria were renovated by the Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe, which began to train cadets. As of February 2008, when Kosovo declared independence, the force became a governmental agency of the Government of the Republic of Kosovo. Before, it was subordinated to the UNMIK Police, and the police commissioner retained command authority over both the international police and the Kosovo Police. The bulk of the Kosovo Police are patrol officers. However, the force has specialized investigative units in all 6 regions, including organized crime units, forensics units, and several others. In addition to those specialist units in the investigative side of law enforcement, every region has a regional operational support unit, who are trained for times where forced entry is needed on search warrants, as well as acting as frontline officers during riot situations, or in times when crowd control is necessary. The Kosovo Police Close Protection Unit serves as the bodyguards for visiting heads of state, and for Kosovo's own political leaders. The first RAZU in Kosovo was for Pristina and originally called Regional Street Crimes Unit, who implemented undercover operations, narcotics interdiction, medium-risk arrest warrants, and special police tactics to include public disorder units within the ranks of the RSCU. The unit was commanded by CIVPOL Chief Jim Renfroer in the second year, and then later Peter Willig of Germany took over after Renfroer ended his CIVPOL mission in late 2003. The creation of the RSCU was under the command of Pristina Regional Commander, Superintendent Paul Hamlin. That unit was based in Kosovo Polje and was used to support all regions as needed. Later, due to successes of that unit and additional responsibilities in the team mission to include support of CPU on high-risk principles, the name was changed to RAZU and duplicate units were placed in each region of Kosovo. The idea was to operate each unit as a separate troop, with a commander reporting to the mission commander, similar to how the state police operate in the United States. The RAZU is still in use today. The Close Protection Unit within the Kosovo Police was established on the 21st of January 2002. The main task of the Close Protection Unit is to provide personal protection to VIPs. In addition, the Close Protection Unit provides protection for persons believed to be subject to threats. The Close Protection Unit also undertakes tactical operations, escorting delegations, and evacuations of both international staff and Kosovo police officers. The RSCU, or Regional Street Crime Unit, was formed in May 2001 and was active for duties. The unit was then renamed as RAZU and had around 120 operators trained for entry teams, riots, surveillance, special tactics driving, VIP protection, VIP buildings, and government buildings. This unit is known as a unit that goes first where high risk is the case. The unit successfully took place in operations along Kosovo's border with Serbia when the crossing was blocked and barricaded by local Serbian civilians and MUP members. This KPS Special Police Unit was created in 2003. The start was a standard SWAT unit trained by 2 American contractors. In March 2005, the Special Intervention Group, GSI, SIG project was launched on a low-profile Basis is the elite, CT, and HR force of Kosovo Police. A strict selection policy was followed through several firm tests, and only 18 trainees were selected among hundreds of willing volunteer officers to be the first generation of the unit. It was formed, established, equipped, coached and trained by a team of UNMIK professional specialized instructors who worked within that field in their native countries, German SEK, and Danish PT coach, and German GSG-9 operator. That experienced team was led firstly by the French GIPN, then the Egyptian HRF trainer who became the first commander of the GSI. By mid of 2006, due to certain difficulties, the project was converted to a standard, SWAT, police unit level. In September 2006, a brand new project, ordered by head of UNMIK,